Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got another fantastic, fun physics lesson. So let's get cracking. Alright friends, so unfortunately this one only works in my classroom because it's stored locally. You may choose to reach out to me via the messaging and maybe I'll be able to find a way to get you to the file, but if you're in my classroom, here's how it works. Friends, we have got a folder on the desktop called MT Tools. When you double click it, you need to go to Journals, and then usually you look for today's date. That is always a good place to check, but I've got a brand new one called Phun Games. When you double click this, the first two games have been created by students. The third one is just silly, but I put it in there just because. When you double click, these games will launch, and then your challenge is to solve them. Friends, if you make an awesome game, I will put yours in here as well. I'll double click to make this large. They should have directions. When you hit play, you can start trying to figure it out. This one is a cool maze by Jose, and there is only one way to get through it. There are cute little traps all the way through. Have fun, explore it, and see if you can beat it. If something goes wrong, you can always just hit the X to close it and restart. The second one is called Flappy Bird. This one was created several years ago, and these are the directions. The instructions are pretty simple. When you hit play, it'll move up and down, and you've got to try and avoid the obstacles. You can use the forward button to get momentum, but you do not have to. If you ever bump into anything, you die. Challenge is to get all the way through it. Alright friends, so if you're in class, have fun trying to solve these. Note the tricks that were put in this, and then you can add your own cool tricks to yours. If you make one that's awesome, share it with me, and then I'll teach you how to put it in the shared games folder so more people can test out your game. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.